with clearly no end to the power tussle in the Indy bloc, it's veteran Congress leader Manishankar Iyer who suggested that the Congress should be open to stepping down from its leadership role in the Indy bloc and make way for Mamata Banerjee. He further said that the coalition's primary goal is to defeat the BJP and adaptability is crucial for the success. So it's a veteran Congress leader who's pitched for Mamata Banerjee to lead the opposition bloc. So while several other opposition parties have pitched for Mamata Banerjee, it's Congress leader Manishankar Iyer who's also said that Congress must give up its leadership role in the opposition bloc and has even showered praises on Mamata Banerjee. Alright, we will just go across to our reporters and get more political reactions on the same. But clearly, there is no end to the power tussle in the opposition bloc. Congress leader Manishankar Iyer, who suggested that the party should be open to stepping down from its leadership role in the opposition bloc and make way for Mamata Banerjee. He even said that the coalition's primary goal is to defeat the BJP and that adaptability is crucial for the success. So, while the opposition bloc is clearly divided as to who should be leading the opposition bloc, whether it should be Mamata Banerjee or Uddhav Thackeray for that matter, it's Congress leader who's pitched for Mamata Banerjee, a veteran Congress leader who says that Congress must give up its leadership role in the opposition bloc. Let's first up go across to Soumya. She's joining us live with more on that. Soumya, it's Manishankar Iyer who has several times in the past made statements which do not exactly go with the stand of the party. But talk to us about the statement coming in which Manishankar Iyer has said that it should be Mamata Banerjee who should be leading the opposition bloc now.
Yes, well, Samiksha, an important point to note here is that this statement comes after a week when Manishankar Iyer had said that it took him years to get to speak to Sonia Gandhi. All is not well, or so to say, all was not well within the Gandhis as far as the relationship between Manishankar Iyer and the Gandhis were concerned. Now, after a week later, we have this new statement by Manishankar Iyer wherein he has expressed that it is not necessary for Congress to lead the Indy bloc. This should not be their only position in the Indy bloc. He said there are other people as well, be it Mamata Gandhi or any other for that matter, any other Indy leader that is compatible enough, competent enough to lead the Indy bloc as far as the leadership role in the Indy bloc is concerned. So these are the statements that have been coming out from Manishankar Iyer's end as far as the leadership roles of Congress is concerned in the Indy bloc. Back to you.
All right, Soumya, we leave it at that. We'll wait for reactions to come in from other parties as well.